How would this chord function in the key of A? Here's what's written from low to high. And then together you get this sound. Okay, so what do we have here? From low to high, the notes written are D, A, and then on top we have an F sharp. To build the chord, we want to take our notes and stack them into ascending thirds. And if we label D as the root, a third above D would be some kind of F, and we have an F sharp. A third above the F sharp would be some type of A, and we have that note as well. So a good option here probably would be to label D as the root of the chord. We could try the other ones though. If we label A as the root, a third above A would be some kind of C, which we don't have, and a third above C would be some kind of E. We don't have that. So this is probably not the best choice. If we label F sharp as the root, third above F sharp would be some kind of A. We do have the A, but then we'd also need a third above A, which is a C, and we don't have that. So the first option here, labeling D as the root of the chord, is the best choice. Now to figure out the quality of the chord, we want to look at the intervals between the notes. D up to F sharp is a total of 4 half steps. That is the recipe for a major third. And then F sharp up to A is a total of 3 half steps. So that's a minor third. Major third plus a minor third, that is the recipe for a major chord. So the chord that we have written here is a D chord or a D major chord. Okay? Now back to the question, how would this chord function in the key of A? You want to think of your A major scale. If you know your A major scale, you know that the note D is the 4th scale degree. So that means that this chord would function as the 4 chord in the key of A. Hope that makes sense. See you next time.